Just mechanical keyboards continue to captivate typists and gamers with their precision and design. Smart home appliances like robot vacuum cleaners are revolutionizing modern living. ECOVACS has become a leading name in robotic cleaning, offering advanced. List 1. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 PRO Omni is a premium model built for households seeking top-tier cleaning performance. Equipped with Blast 16 cleaning technology, it delivers ultra-strong suction and deep mopping capability, making it effective for carpets, hardwood, and tile floors. Its all-in-one Omni station handles self-washing, self-drying, and automatic dust collection, ensuring truly hands-free maintenance. With AI-powered navigation, the X9 Pro can detect obstacles, map your home with precision, and adapt its cleaning path for maximum efficiency. The mop system applies downward pressure for thorough scrubbing, tackling stubborn stains that many robot mops can't handle. It also supports voice commands and app integration, offering advanced dots. List 2. The DEEBOT X5 PRO Omni is a versatile all-in-one cleaning solution designed to simplify household chores. Its Omni station manages auto-emptying, mop washing, and drying, so you spend less time maintaining the unit. Featuring powerful suction, it captures dirt, dust, and pet hair efficiently across different surfaces. The mopping system is enhanced with intelligent water control, ensuring floors are cleaned without overwetting. The advanced navigation system creates accurate home maps and adjusts routes to avoid obstacles, giving seamless and thorough cleaning coverage. With smart app controls, you can schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, or select room-specific cleaning modes. The X5 Pro also integrates smoothly with voice assistants for added. List 3. The DEEBOT T30S Combo is designed for households that want efficiency and flexibility in one unit. Featuring an all-in-one cleaning hub, it supports automatic dustbin emptying, mop washing, and drying for low-maintenance operation. The T30S delivers powerful suction that easily handles debris, crumbs, and pet hair while maintaining quiet operation. Its smart mopping system uses adaptive water flow control, allowing for streak-free cleaning on hard floors. Laser navigation technology ensures accurate room mapping, letting you customize cleaning by area, room, or even specific zones through the ECOVACS app. The robot also includes carpet detection, automatically lifting the mop when transitioning from hard floors to carpet, preventing unwanted dampness. With long-lasting battery performance and app integration, the T30S is reliable for larger homes. List 4. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T8 remains one of the most popular models thanks to its precise laser navigation and solid cleaning performance. While not as advanced as the latest Omni models, it offers reliable vacuuming and mopping at a more accessible price point. The T8 features strong suction for everyday messes with a mopping attachment that handles light stains effectively. Its true mapping technology ensures accurate home mapping and efficient path planning, minimizing missed spots. Obstacle detection keeps it from bumping into furniture or getting stuck, while app controls provide full customization of cleaning schedules. With multi-floor mapping, it's great for homes with different levels, and its quiet operation makes it family-friendly. List 5. For those seeking powerful suction at an affordable price, the DEEBOT N20 is a standout. With up to 8,000 PA suction power, it tackles dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease, even on high-pile carpets. It doubles as a mop, with a water tank that delivers consistent moisture for hard floor cleaning. Its compact design makes it suitable for apartments or medium-sized homes, while the intelligent navigation ensures efficient cleaning coverage. The N20 is app-controlled, allowing scheduling, cleaning mode selection, and real-time monitoring. It also integrates with voice assistants for hands-free operation. While it lacks advanced self-cleaning features, its strength lies in raw power and simplicity. For budget-conscious buyers or first-time robot vacuum users, the DEEBOT N20 offers impressive suction and dual functionality at a fraction of the cost of flagship models. making.